Playlister is how Resurrection Kids delivers all your media content to the classroom. And this media content can include your Bible story video, it can include your memory verse slide, it can include music videos, it can include game slides, and a whole host of other things. So when we say Playlister, this is where you'll go and this is where you'll get your content. Now when you see a Playlister screen in your room, you'll notice here on the right are the different playlists. And you won't have all these in your room. I just put different samples of what you could see. So if you're working in the early childhood, you've got early childhood July worship, early childhood July songs. You will also, if you're working in the nursery, that EC will change to nursery. We got Leawood first grade, we got Leawood Wednesday second and third grade, and then down here we got worship videos. So if you click on that, if you were to tap on that, you go through and you'll see a bunch of the different worship videos. So your screen when you get there in your room will either look like this, or it could look like this. And where it is those are already all your slides that you need, and a slide might also be turned on as well. So this is what it will look like. So if your TV comes in like this with a graphic, you are already on Playlister and the slides there, and then you can navigate around to what you need. I'm just going to show you real quick how to use the Playlister remote control. Now the remotes look a little bit different depending on which room you're in. So I'm going to first start with the silver one. This silver one looks like this. And as you take a look at it, we've got the volume up and down button right here. We also got this left arrow, and that sends you back. So if I'm on this here and I'm like, oh, this is the wrong playlist, I can click this left arrow and it will send me back there. Up above, you got the circle, and the center of the circle is like a trackpad. So if you're used to using like a MacBook or any other laptop, you can just kind of move your finger around, and as I move it, slide it up, it goes up. As I slide my thumb down, it goes down, and then if I push the center button, it then selects that playlist. Now I can hit that center button again, and it will take me to that. And then I'm like, oh wait, that's the wrong one. I can hit this back arrow, and it'll send me right back. I can also do that with the same thing. There are 4 dots around the circle. I can hit the right one, it will go right, and the left one will go left. So if I'm doing a video, for example, if I got this countdown and I hit the center button to turn it on, I can also then hit the center button again to pause it. So I have my 28 seconds left of the countdown, and then I can hit it again as well. So like, oops, that's not the right one. I can hit the left arrow, and it will get me out. And I can continue to hit the left arrow to get me back to the menu screen or the home screen of the Playlister. All right, so the other remote you might have is the black remote in your room to running a Playlister. And just like the silver remote, it has the volume up and down button here on the right side. And then it has the menu button, and then at the top of the remote, where it looks like nothing, that is actually a trackpad. So if I click on it in the middle, it then sends me into that playlist. I can then slide my thumb to the right. When I do that, it moves me around the different slides and videos and graphics for that playlist. I can slide it to the left, and then it sends me back. If I want to select something and I'm ready, I tap the middle of it, and then it starts playing. And I'm like, oh, then I can pause it here with the play pause button right there. Then I can start it again. If I tap the trackpad within there, it moves me to the next one as well. And then I'm like, oh, I don't want to be here anymore. I hit the menu, slides me back out, and I hit menu one more time, and it sends me back to where I started. So those are the 2 different remotes. You will have a black one or a silver one in your room to run Playlister.